Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, how to use Lipo Gummies Apple Cider Vinegar Weight Loss. So, you might be wondering what is the Lipo Gummies that you may be hearing online and how to exactly use it and what does it actually contain. So, Lipo Gummies here are a dietary supplement built around apple cider vinegar as the core ingredient. Now, according to them, it's combined with purified water, pure cane sugar, apple pectin, and citric acid, and sodium citrate, and tapioca starch, beetroot powder, and formula here is positioned around supporting metabolism, digestion, appetite balance, and steady daily energy without added caffeine or stimulants. Now, it's manufactured in US facilities that follow quality and safety standards intended for both men and women. Now, how do you exactly use this? Now, the site directs the following recommendation per daily serving. Now, on the product label specifically. Now, most users are described as taking their gummies once per day as part of a consistent routine. Now, the site notes results vary by person, with some noticing changes in energy, digestion, or appetite with consistent use, especially alongside balanced nutrition and activity. Anyone pregnant, nursing, managing a medical condition, or taking prescription medication is directed to consult a health care professional before use. Now, on the pricing side here, the site lists a regular price of around $89 per bottle, discounted at around $49 per bottle under the current promotion. Now, free US shipping applies to the 3 bottle and 6 bottle bundles option, and the site states a 6 bottle bundle is the most commonly chosen option, and it's sold exclusively through the official website and comes with a 60-day money back guarantee according to them. But in this case, that's about it. So for this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.